Pepper. A spice made from dried, ground peppercorns. She added pepper to the soup. He likes his food with a lot of pepper. The chef sprinkled pepper on the steak. They used both black and white pepper in the recipe. The pepper made the dish spicy.